Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are reviewing another AUVON pill case holder. You can use this for supplements or for medicines of all kinds. So this one is a little different. This one actually has 4 trays. Each tray has its own day. So we'll open this up and show you guys more. But so you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And you have morning, noon, evening, bedtime. So this would be a 4-pill setup. All you do is pull that down. Each individual day pops out. Each individual has its own case. And these are actually really deep, so you can put a lot of pills in them. Now, if we go ahead and we turn this upside down, we see that they provide us with stickers, so you can put these stickers on for each day. That way you know. So you'll probably put it on the side like that. But overall, it's nice. It's an airtight, sealable case. You can put whatever color, however you want to put it. So overall, they're really nice. I like the color and the style. They fit nicely inside this case. So if you guys need a 4-pill-a-day tray, this is what you want. This is a weekly pill organizer for 4 pills per day.